This is what the setup looks like for the magnetic force on a conductor lab. So you should get a box like this, and inside the box you have some different current loops, and this piece here you attach to a stand. So this is what we have here, and you can put one of these loops on the end of the stand. You have a magnet in here as well, and that goes on this balance that we have here. And you need some wires, and you're going to plug them in to the power supply and the multimeter. If you are working in the overflow room, there should be a multimeter just like this at each workstation, so you can use this multimeter. There is a power supply at the workstation also, but do not use the power supply at the workstation. You need this special power supply for today's lab, so you will need to get that from me, or I may have it over there for you already when you arrive. So you need a box like this, you need a stand, and you need the balance, and you can work on getting everything set up. You just plug the wires right in here. So you might want to pause the video here to see how to set everything up, and then if you feel good about having it set up correctly and you want to start collecting data, you can do that. You change the current by turning the knob here, and you can read the value for the current off of the multimeter. It is going to change a little bit, so after I turn the knob, let's try and get it at 4. So I'm not turning it right now, but it's still changing. That's okay if it's at 4.0. It's kind of holding steady there. You can call that 4. Okay, so I'll be over to give you some more pointers on the lab later on, but once you get this set up, you can start collecting data. One other thing, when you pull the magnet out of the box, it has this piece on top. It is a little bit sharp, so be careful of that, but you have to pull this off. I don't think I can do it with one hand, but you need to pull it off so that it looks like this, because the current loop goes in between the magnet there, like that. So you need to pull that piece off of the magnet.